Hi, I'm Kurt from LUMOplay, and this is Planet Kidz, a super cool children's salon and party space in New Jersey. From haircuts to birthday parties, Planet Kidz is designed to keep kids engaged, comfortable, and excited to be there. The centerpiece of their party space is an LED floor which uses BrightLogic's TouchController Pro as an interactive sensor. BrightLogic makes the best interactive controller for LED displays, but they aren't a game company. So this floor only has 30 games and they're getting pretty old. Planet Kidz reached out to ask if I could get LUMOplay working with their BrightLogic floor so they can offer more games and easily make custom games for their parties. In this video, I'll show you how to use LUMOplay with BrightLogic's TouchController Pro and how to make custom games for your interactive LED display in minutes. This will work with any LED display that uses BrightLogic's TouchController Pro. First, you'll need to install LUMOplay on your LED display computer. We have lots of videos and articles showing you how to do that and what kind of computer you'll need. I'll link to our Getting Started guide in the description of this video. To connect LUMOplay to the BrightLogic TouchController Pro, open the menu in the top left, go to Preferences, then select Advanced. Enable the BrightLogic TouchController Pro XML network source. This allows LUMOplay to receive touch data directly from the BrightLogic system. The port number will appear automatically. It's usually correct by default, but you should confirm that it matches your setup. If your LED floor or wall is not a 16:9 or 16:10 aspect ratio, enable Unlock Games from Monitor Bound so LUMOplay's apps will resize to fit the custom aspect ratio of your LED display. You click Done to return to the main interface. Now we'll calibrate the display size so interaction lines up correctly. Select Calibrate, choose your setup type, either floor or wall. Move the red crosshairs marker to the top left corner of your LED display by entering the correct pixel position. Set your resolution to match your LED display resolution. Under Camera, select NDI Network Source. This is how LUMOplay receives interaction data from the BrightLogic controller. Click Next and your system is ready to play. Now let's create a custom interactive app for your LED display. You'll be shocked at how easy it is. Open Motion Maker and choose the Particles Appear template. Upload images from the Dropbox folder linked in the description of this video, where you can use your own images and videos to customize the experience. For more details about the available templates and what can be customized, visit our Design Tools page, which is also linked in the video description. Remember to give your app a name so you can find it when it's published. Close Motion Maker and then publish your app. Once your app is published, find it in your app library and launch it on your LED display. Since your content isn't locked to a standard screen size, you can create experiences that fit your LED display's exact dimensions. And with Motion Maker, you can design and launch new games in minutes. All you have to do is upload some custom graphics. By combining LUMOplay with BrightLogic hardware, you get a flexible system that turns any LED display into a customizable interactive experience. If you found this helpful, please leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe for more tutorials. Or if you're planning a project and you need advice, you can reach us directly at info@lumoplay.com. Make sure you check out Planet Kidz and BrightLogic. Their websites are both linked in the description. We'll be back next week with another tutorial.